Children, let us discuss performance related careers. As players, a large number of sportspersons participate in various games and sports throughout the world. They participate at various levels such as inter-school or college level, district level competition, state level competition, national level competition, and international level competition, and Olympic games, etc. But only highly skilled performers reach at the top level. Those sports persons who are most successful in competition usually seek sports career. The job opportunities are greater than in the past, but number of individuals in the professional sports is very limited in Western countries, whereas the job opportunities in India are very limited owing to less number of professional sports. Although many sports scholarship for good sportsmen are available in India at various levels. The careers of those who pursue sports career are for short duration. In India, good sports career is available in cricket, lawn tennis, marathon race. Many jobs are also available for skilled sports person in corporations and railways, etc. In Western countries, many sports person in such sports as basketball, basketball, football, hockey, athletics, golf, boxing, and tennis, etc. earn more in a decade of employment than an average worker during a lifetime vacation. The professional players related to New York Yankees get highest salaries in the world. Martina Navratilova, tennis, get $2 million per year through commercial advertisements. Billie Jean King became the first woman tennis player in 1971 to win $1 lakh in a year. There are so many examples in India, also especially in cricket. The sports persons who want to pursue professional careers in sports may fail to get professional ranks or have to leave professional arena after a few years. As officials, the smooth conduct of sports tournament or competition depends on good officials. As it has already been discussed above that the performance of players remains for short duration. Generally, it is a career of approximately 10 years. After the sports persons may pursue the career as officials because they know the ins and outs of the game. Such type of job opportunities are available as part-time officials or full-time officials. There are various officials in a tournament such as referee, umpire, timekeeper, recorder or scorer, etc. Their requirements depend on the number of tournaments held every year. It is also a good career related to sports and games. Even college students earn some income by officiating in inter-college sports competitions. Many former sportspersons turn to officiating as full-time professional career after sports career. In this career, an individual must have the participation, experience, and qualification to meet the standard set by the particular sports organization. In officiating, not only the knowledge of the rules is important, but one must possess good officiating mechanisms. Also, a good official must be able to work under pressure. Officiating can be a challenging career, but in India, it is still in boarding stage as less number of competitions are held in comparison to Western countries. Careers in communication media. The communication media, television, radio, newspapers, and magazines, etc., have contributed to the announcement of various career opportunities in sports communication. The above mentioned means of communication have increased the sports coverage. Cable television channels such as ESPN, 10 Sports, and Star Sports provide 24 hours coverage of sports and games. In fact, it has enhanced a number of career opportunities in communication media. There are various career related to communication media such as sports journalism. Those physical educators who have a talent for writing may opt a career as a sports journalist. The most journalists may get opportunity to work with newspapers and in sports magazines because the space for coverage of sports news as well as the number of newspapers and sports magazines is increasing rapidly. Sports journalists must write live events, and future articles about sports persons or on various topics about sports. The covering of the sports event and reporting is most vital part of this career. Stories based on research complying statistics and interviewing of players and coaches are all functions of the journalist. A sound background of physical education can be beneficial to a sports journalist with the knowledge of sports psychology may be better able to explain the public why some sportsperson fail to perform under pressure, whereas other sportsperson give better performance. A sports journalist with the knowledge of exercise physiology may explain better what happens physiologically to athletes when they make efforts to finish marathon race. No doubt, career opportunity in sports journalism as simple as ample, but this field requires keen interest, taste, and talent in writing. Book writing. Career opportunities are widely available in book writing in the field of physical education and sports, especially in India. As a matter of fact, there is storage of books on physical education and its allied subjects in India. Some physical educators who have deep knowledge of various subdisciplines of physical education such as sports, biomechanics, sports science sociology, sports medicine, exercise physiology, research methods, sports psychology, sports philosophy, sports pedagogy, sports management, and various sports may write textbooks as a part time career. This field also requires interest, concentration, and writing talent. Sports photography. Sports photography is another career which can be pursued by physical education educators, but this career is applicable only to those physical educators who have a keen interest in photography and a strong desire to communicate to public the true meaning of sports through photographs. A talent in photography is essential for opting such a career. There are ample opportunities for sports photographers with newspapers in sports magazines such as Sports Week, Sports World, and Khel Khiladi, etc. The knowledge of biomechanics can help the sports photographer in getting the best angle of the best angle for the photograph. The knowledge of sports sociology can be helpful in sports photography in showing the significance of sports in our society. Courses in photography and the practical experience of taking sports photographs are also essential to be a good sports photographer. Book publishing. Publishers of books on sports and textbooks of physical education, its subdisciplines, and allied subjects such as health education and recreation need the people who are knowledgeable about the field of physical education. Educated workers are needed who are familiar with the demands of publications in areas related to physical education and sports. This type of job requires a knowledge of physical education, writing, and editorial skills. Other people are needed in the sales area, including direct sales, which usually involves traveling throughout the country to sell books. This job requires a knowledge of physical education and comparative values of the available books. This person should have sales ability and an understanding of the available markets for publications in the field of physical education and sports. In the same way, job opportunities are also available in publishing of sports magazines. Sports broadcasting. Sports broadcasting has become a popular career. Career opportunities may be found with radio and television stations, including cable televisions at local, regional, and national levels. Sports broadcasting requires not only the knowledge of the game but also the ability to communicate it clearly. The persons interested in the field need to be knowledgeable about the skills, tactics, and rules of the game, including the techniques of officiating. Studying physical education may provide the reporter with an understanding of the way in which sportsperson train for competition and the physiological effects of performance. The reporter must be able to relate the information to the public in simple terms. The knowledge of the sports enables him to report the moment to moment action. A reporter must have the detailed knowledge of the game because he is regarded by the public as an expert of the game which is covering. He must have knowledge of various games such as football, volleyball, basketball, hockey, cricket, etc. He must have the background of information at least about the famous players. He must be able to speak well and not be inhibited by speaking into the microphone or in front of the camera. The practical experience can contribute a lot to one's success in getting an entry level position in this career. For the purpose of getting experience, one should try to announce the sports events at college level in the beginning of this career. Salaries are good in this career, but it depends on the level of station, local station, or national network. Marketing career. Increasing interest in public in sports and games, health, fitness, and physical activities has stimulated the sales of sports goods. Consequently, job opportunities in marketing and selling sports equipment have increased. Private companies need persons with an understanding of physical activities. Persons are needed who are familiar with the sports equipment need and changing demands. In fact, jobs are available as salespersons and as manufacturers representatives. Careers in marketing and selling of sports equipment are challenging ones. Salaries of marketing managers, sales representatives, and salespersons depend on the sales of the product. A salesperson should be extremely knowledgeable about the products he is selling. A consumer always expects the salesperson to be an expert on the types of sports equipment. Courses in business management and accounting are helpful for marketing manager as well as salespersons. Salesperson should be skillful and able to identify individuals' need and to sell them a product according to the needs. Opportunities of jobs for marketing managers and salespersons will definitely increase the interest of physical activities, sports and games, and fitness continues to grow. Thank you, children. After that, I will teach you sports industry.